How to fix Instagram comment count not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open Instagram and swipe down on the feed or reopen the app. And if it is a server lag issue, then the count often reappears after a few minutes. Also, you can try to force close Instagram, so swipe up on your home screen and force quit all the apps, including Instagram and all the apps running in the background, and then open Instagram and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram app is updated to its latest version. After updating, reopen your feed and see if your issue is fixed or not. And if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application. You will see the remove app option, tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the app from App Store and then open the app and then log back in. This will reset corrupted local files that may prevent comment count updates. And if your issue is still not fixed, then open Instagram and further check the post type, as Reels sometimes hide the comment count temporarily while processing interactions, or sponsored posts or ads do not display comment counts at all, or replies on threads or limited comments show no visible count to others. Also, go ahead and tap on your post and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for turn off commenting. Make sure you have not enabled turn off commenting, and if yes, then disable turn off commenting in order to be able to see the Instagram comment count. And if this does not fix your issue too, then in your profile again, tap on the three lines and in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the bottom and log yourself out. Once logged out, restart your iPhone and then log back in again, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix comment count not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.